Gavana wa Kirinyaga Igũrũ nĩatirĩte kambeini ya mĩeri ĩrĩ ya gĩturwa kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Olkalau harĩ kĩama kĩa UDA agĩikia rĩtana rĩa thayũ kũrĩ aikari amwe na ahũranĩri a gĩturwa gĩkĩ.
Wale ambao wanataka kuleta vurugu ama kusema wale ambao wanataka kuleta vurugu wawe wa chama gani ama gani, wajue sisi ni watu watulivu, sisi tunatii sheria na sisi tunaomba kura kwa unyenyekevu, kwa sababu tunajua kura zinatoka kwa wananchi. Kwa hivyo huku Olkalau pia tunataka kuhimiza that there be peace during elections, and that those who have brought this kind of violence, irrespective of whichever party they come from, tunajua ni nani walikuwa wamesema nani asikakuje. Kwa hivyo wachunguzwe na wachukuliwe hatua.
Waigũrũ akĩũria kamĩtĩ ya ithurano mĩhaka IEBC hamwe na honge cia ũgitĩri gũtigĩrĩra gĩthurano gĩkĩ nĩ gĩatabanio na njĩra ya thayũ.
I think the first thing that we would like to say is that to ask the security agencies to get serious on the issue of enforcing of peace. We do not anticipate at this point in time that on that day it will be have some violence, but in the unlikely event that there will be violence, we pray that IEBC will work with the security forces to take necessary action against the perpetrators of that violence. As a woman leader, I have been a politician for many years. I have run competitive politics. I have never had to engage in political violence to win. And I don't think even at this level that is necessary, or even at any other level. I think we need to emphasize that peace is paramount, and we have no place whatsoever for violence, especially in the political space. So I urge every one of us to ensure that we maintain that peace.
Waigũrũ augĩte gĩthurano gĩkĩ ti ũndũ wa muoyo kana gĩkuũ, na ũguo ahũranĩri othe maige thayũ mbere hĩndĩ na thutha wa gĩthurano.
Sisi wote tukue tunahimiza amani na tukae kwa amani, kwa sababu hata badala ya uchaguzi wa Kenya bado tutakuwa tumebaki. Kwa hivyo tungependa kusema sisi kama chama tuko upande wa amani, na tunataka kila mtu ambaye anashindana na pia wale wana supporters wao wote wahimize amani, kwa sababu Olkalau bado itakuwa hapa baada ya tarehe 16, na sisi kama Wakenya tutakuwa bado hapa.
Maumĩrĩra ma gĩthurano gĩkĩ tarĩki 16 magĩtanywo kũrehe mwerekera wa uge wa President William Ruto na thiriti yake harĩ ũteti wa gĩcigo kĩa Mount Kenya. Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Wainaina wa Kĩarie.